All right, traders, George here, and I wanted to give you a wrap up of what you saw in the live room over the last 3 days. You've been with me for 3 days watching me trade these markets, the futures for oil, gold, the mini Russell, the NASDAQ, and Euro on these exact same charts here. All right, so the price action we had this week, well, I guess it's sort of the new norm. We've got a lot of contraction and occasional momentum bursts. So really looking at three different categories for our signals: the trend reversals, the continuation moves, and the stagnation zones. Managing all three of those scenarios in these markets here, well, here's what I did. 6 to 8, $1,767 on 58 trades with a 63.79% win ratio. The long side getting a little bit more of the gains there. This is just one contract, remember, and just for no more than 7.5 hours for this gain right here. That's just Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. All right. Now, something else to think about. This is a real nice graph here to help break down how these trades look relative to the median line of break even. So obviously the stops are always contained around the entry signal. There's no holding a position and taking the stop out and hoping it works in favor, which a lot of losing traders do. The stops are known at specific points at the time of the entry. That's the maximum loss that we'll see, and in some cases there'll be opportunities to move the stop up as the position changes, okay, as we pick up those signals on the chart. As far as gains that come that are close to a one-to-one risk reward, well, you'll see a lot of them here, and some of the smaller gains would have been some of the more defensive moves where price started to weaken relative to our position, okay? These few outliers here that go past the outliers here, these are where a lot of leverage come from, because just a few trades like this where we have a couple momentum runs, they do wonders for the portfolio. They're able to stomp out these small losers and put us into positive expectancy in a hurry. So it might seem a little bit stagnant at times in the morning, but great expectancy. So that's what you saw me do over the last 3 days. For those of you that are going to make it to training tomorrow as a new DSR trader, well, congrats. Looking forward to having you there. You'll be able to do this on your own as you start to apply the techniques we're going to cover tomorrow. Maybe not the prettiest week of trading, but a great week of profitability. Looking forward to training tomorrow, and we'll see you all there.